channel. We are back again for another lock and life inspiration. As promised, guys, I told you guys that I would be back to show you what my hair looks like when it grows out. And again, my lighting is absolutely terrible, guys. So I'm going to get up on this as close as I can so that you can see all this new growth. So yeah, my hair is definitely growing. Um, it is woofing right now. That's what I like to call it. It's woofing, and I love it like this. So we're gonna put out some positive lock inspiration today, and we want to put into the atmosphere and decree that as your locks grow, you grow. Come on, say it with me. As my locks grow, I grow. One more time, guys. As my locks grow, I grow. And you gotta believe this, guys. Let me tell you, 2/28/18, I was crowned, guys, with two-strand twists, and it's almost 4 months in, and my hair has literally grown from 2/28/18 to date, roughly 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. Okay. Here we have our two-strand twist down here. And then this is my retwist. I retwisted twice, and this is the retwist here. And guys, literally, I measured it 3.5 inches. So, come on, let's say this again. As my locks grow, I grow, and I'm growing. Every single day I am growing. Let me tell you what making a commitment to lock your hair says. It says, and this is growth in itself, I do not care what anybody else thinks about me. It is absolute liberation from the opinions of other people. Seriously. It is absolute liberation from the opinions of other people. I really don't care what you feel or think about my hair. That's what it says. That's what you say. I don't care. This is what the commitment says. And so, in committing to such a thing and making an indirect declaration as such, that I can care less what you think about my hair, me, or anything else that pertains to my life. You can say when you get discouraged and you wake up and you think to yourself, what have I done to my head? Or, you know, what's going on with my hair? Or this is, oh, I can't do nothing with this. I got to go in corporate America. And, they're not going to have me looking like this. Remember your commitment. Your commitment is powerful because it speaks volumes, and it says, I don't care what nobody thinks. So you even got to talk to yourself when you start to think crazy and you want to take them out. You got to talk to yourself too. And you got to remind yourself why you made the commitment in the first place. And you have to hold true to what you committed to. So as my locks grow, I'm growing, encouraging myself, enjoying a more minimalist life, not so over concerned about things that, I don't really have the power to change, stuff that I just have to go through to get to. Um, I'm just really learning to be free and be liberated. And so as they're growing, I'm growing. I haven't always been that way. The journey is also teaching me to be patient, just to be patient, that wonderful things are going to take place if you're just patient. That, character is built in your patience. Strength and to persevere is discovered in patience. And so I am learning so much. I'm really learning a lot. I'm still inquisitive about the color rinses, chemical free rinses that you know don't have any type of chemicals that will damage my hair and what's going on with my hair at the present moment. Um, so I'm open to hearing from other um, lock admirers and lock kings and queens in the community who are have knowledge on coloring medium brown hair a little lighter without compromising and putting the chemical in my hair, because that's not something that I desire to do. And even I'm not really interested in the hennas either, because that's a whole nother vlog in itself. And I do look forward to talking about that on my next Lock and Life inspiration and Lock and Life vibes, because some loose naturals and some locked kings and queens, they don't know that using the henna on your hair and then deciding not too far off from using the henna, when you decide that you want to lift the color um, to put a desired color in your hair, that henna is so powerful that you will not be able to lift that color. So, if I decide somewhere down the line when my locks are mature to put um, lift the color and put a chemical color in my hair, I want to be open to have that option. When my hair is stronger, and to be able to endure that type of treatment, because it's a harsh treatment. And I want the desired color to take effect. And if I put it in my hair, it's not happening, guys. It's just not gonna happen. I don't know if you knew that, but we'll get more deep into that on our next session, because listen, we're gonna be here. So listen, I'm just gonna insert it here. Like, comment, smash the subscribe button, because I'm not going nowhere. Where you going? Where you going? You wanna be here. You wanna follow my journey. You want to be encouraged, and then not only that, we can build each other up, and that's what the channel, the Lock Vibes, is about. That's what the Life Vibes is about. That we're real people going through real experiences, and some of us, we experience the same things, but because no one talks about it, feel like that we're in it all alone. And so, yes, there's days that you may be discouraged on your journey. And so I want to keep it real and let you know that, um, you know, those days are going to happen. There's going to be times when you're going to feel like, you didn't make the right decision. But you want to always remember the commitment that you made, and how powerful that statement, indirect as it was to everybody who watched you make the commitment, in saying that I don't care what you think about my hair, because I know you might be thinking something, but it's my journey. And so we're going to go on this journey together, guys. We're going to do this thing together. We're going to encourage each other. We're going to uplift each other. We're going to be here for those who um, can't afford a loctician and need these DIYs and pep talks to, as they maintain their hair on their own, or until they are able to afford or find them a qualified loctician to keep up the maintenance on their hair. And so we want to put out informational things for you to feel secure in your journey, if you have to do it on your own. We're maintaining our own hair. Eventually we will find a loctician who is qualified, when or if the time comes where it's just too much for me to, do on my own. And so in the meantime, we're here. We're to uplift each other, to learn from each other, to glean from each other, to strengthen one another, to uphold each other, to lift each other up in this community. And for those who are admiring us, both near and far, it is an awesome journey. It's a wonderful journey. And, we just want you to be encouraged as you go on your way. Okay, and as our hair grows, we want to journal this so that we can come back and we can see our humble beginnings, and also so that there's content available for people who are interested in doing a big chop or locking up their loose natural. Okay, so once again, guys, I hope you are, encouraged and encouraging yourself as you go on this journey. Some days you're going to wake up, ain't nobody going to tell you you look good. They're going to be trying to figure this out, y'all. They're going to be trying to figure it out. But you know what you're doing and you know why you're doing it. And so you want to speak life into yourself. And you want to encourage yourself. And you want to let yourself know that as my hair grows, as my locks grow, I grow. And there's a lot of things taking place in this process, in this transition. I'm learning patience in this transition. I'm learning to be a minimalist and not to concern myself with things that are beyond or out of my ability to change, but to just ride the wave and just go through to get to, so that I can come out on the other side better and not bitter. Okay, and so guys, please do like, comment, smash the subscribe button. Just go ahead and smash it. I don't even know what you're waiting for, but go ahead and smash the subscribe button, because we're going to be here putting out content and encouraging you and speaking life into your journey, and also getting to know you. And as you get to know me a little better, come on guys, for those of you who are out there who can offer some suggestions on the rinses, the colors, and even a light, very minimal starter lock styles. I'm very interested in hearing about those. Like I said on my previous video, I will pull my hair up in a couple of ponies when I'm going to the beach or if I'm going out, because it's been pretty hot here in Virginia. But I am interested in hearing about some very light lock styles that don't require any hairpins, any bobby pins, anything that will have to go through or be penetrated through the lock and disrupt or interrupt what's going on in there. And so, like I said on the previous video, I don't want to disturb or interrupt or disrupt or mess with the integrity of what's going on inside of my locks. I want them to do their own thing and be in an environment where they're not being manipulated in a way where it's hindering the process. We don't want to hinder our process. So our process will not be hindered. Listen to me what I'm saying to you, because as I speak into the process of your journey, I'm also speaking into the process of your life, that your process will not be hindered, and that as your locks grow, you grow. Okay? Please do like, comment, smash the subscribe button, and until the next time.